Sabi ko sa kanya, hiningi ko na sa Pilipinas na tulungan ka pagdating ng panahon mo. At tumakbo ka ng presidente. At continue. Hindi ko hinarang yan, ma'am. Ngayon na lang. Of late. Because I think I'm pretty with this kind of problem pa ulit-ulit. Sabi ko, sige, sundin mo na for all the unanswered issues, ikaw na ang magpatuloy ng sumagot. At kung presidente ka man, sundin mo lang yung style ko at okay ka. Huwag kang matakot, sabi ko, makulong ka.
So did you say sundin ang style mo?
Oo.
Ano particular, sir, ang style ni PRRD ang gusto niyo makuha po ni VP Sara para mag-make okay talaga?
You cannot change the Philippines overnight into a trouble-free country. But you can minimize the misery of the people in the hands of the oppressors and the criminals and all. Pwede mo na rin patayin lahat para isang hearing na naman.
Sir, kaya yung mga ganyang salita mo, sir, kaya ano eh.
Ah.
Anyway, sir,
Tama yan.
sir, napag-usapan niyo ba ni VP about sa kanyang impeachment, sir?
Hindi naman naniniwala yung babae niya ng payo. At saka hindi naman interesado yan kung ma-impeach talaga siya o impeachment proceeding. The trial itself, you should not worry a bit. I don't know, but makita mo naman yung sa karakter ng babae na yan. It's totally indifferent yung mga problema na yan. I mean, she can always respond. But as always, she has been responding to me. Well, I can always transfer to a new life, a new beginning. Ganon yan siya eh. So, pagka ganon ang kasusap po ang tao, hindi mo mabigyan ng payo. What for? Hindi naman nakikinig.
Okay. Sir, what made you change your heart? Kasi alam namin ang una, lagi niyo pong dinidiscourage si Ma'am Inday na wag talagang tatakbo kasi you've been there. Alam niyo, ayaw niyo siyang mahirapan. What made you change your heart and mind and now you're convincing your daughter to run na po for president? Why the change of heart po?
Para yung... Well, she truly loves her country. Dapat gawin yung dapat niya gawin. At this time, at this point in time, when paalis na ako at patanda na. At maybe soon, so sooner than expected, I will make my exit as a politician.
And then how did she respond, or what was her reply po to you, sir?
I think si Inday has become a political animal. Kasi lolo niya kasi for the longest time, governor of Davao Province yung isa pa. Parang pumasok na sa subconscious level niya yung politika. Tapos ako, tagal ko siya.
Okay. Sir, may I just go back po doon sa ICC, nung pumutok po pala ito kahapon, sinabi po ng Malacanang na nagre-ready po sila for any eventualities. Meron nga po bang dapat paghandaan ang gobyerno, sir, kung sakali man po that, you know, you will really be arrested? Should the government be ready for any eventualities?
Not exactly in the sense that they have to make a big celebration or preparation about it. It's just a simple matter of tendering the warrant. Ako naman, dumaan ako ng prosecutor, dumaan ako ng lahat-lahat na hanggang presidente. All I have to do is just to abide by the rules. Libro naman lahat yan. So if there is an arrest order and you are served the warrant of arrest, edi tanggapin mo and then go to the court and explain what is this all about. And kung sabihin mo na ganun